says little red one. Orange laughs from morning light, like a pumpkin round and bright, swinging high and giggling loud. Let's all laugh, she shouts so proud. Yellow shines just like the sun, chasing chicks and having fun, skipping, dancing all around. Let's play with the sunny sound. Green is hiding in the trees, tagging frogs and buzzing bees. Leaves go swish and branches shake. Catch me now if you're awake. Blue is splashing with a grin, like the sky and sea within. Water balloons go pop and fly. Let's get wet and laugh up high. Indigo is calm and deep, telling stories before sleep, reading books beneath the star. Dream with me no matter where you are. Violet paints with magic light, stars and rainbows, pure delight. Brush in hand she twirls around, color dreams without a sound. Red goes sweet down the slide so bright, orange swings and laughs with might. Yellow dances in the sun, green plays tag and starts to run. Blue goes splash with water play, indigo dreams at end of day. Violet paints the skies above, colors shine with joy.